Hey everybody, it's Ryan! I'm so excited to talk to you about something super cool today. We use technology every day, and it's all around us in so many different forms. It's on our phones and tablets, helping us stay connected and entertained. It's how we watch our favorite shows and movies, bringing stories to life. Tech is even in our video games. It makes our games more fun and interactive. Technology helps us learn new skills, explore the world, and stay in touch with friends. We can talk to Grandma and Grandpa far away, seeing their faces and hearing their voices. We can read books and watch funny videos. It's amazing how much we can access with just a few taps. But we need to be safe and smart. This means not sharing personal information and being careful about what we click on. Are you ready to learn how? Let's go! Together, we can discover all the amazing things technology can do while staying safe and smart. Did you know you can learn while you play games on your tablet? It's an amazing way to combine fun and education. It's true! There are so many cool apps and websites for kids. These tools make learning exciting and interactive. You can learn about animals, space, and so much more. Imagine exploring the universe or discovering new animal species right from your tablet. And guess what? You can even learn how to code. Coding is like a superpower that lets you create your own games and apps. Some games help you with math and reading too. They turn challenging subjects into fun activities. Playing these games is a fun way to learn new things. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn while having a blast. Just remember to ask a grown-up before downloading any new apps or games. It's important to stay safe and make sure the apps are appropriate for you. Share your learning adventures with friends and family. You might inspire them to join in the fun and learn together. Using technology is awesome, whether it's playing games, watching videos, or learning new things online. But too much screen time isn't good for us. It can make our eyes tired and our bodies feel sluggish. Our brains and bodies need time to rest and play outside. Fresh air and physical activity help us stay healthy. It's important to have screen time limits. Setting boundaries helps us make the most of our day. Ask a grown-up to help you set a timer. This way you can keep track of your screen time. When the timer goes off, it's time to take a break. Regular breaks prevent fatigue and keep us energized. You can play with toys, read a book, or do something creative like drawing, or go outside and have an adventure. Balancing screen time with other activities is super important. Technology is awesome, but it's not the only thing that's fun. Remember to spend time with your family and friends offline, too. You can play games outside, build a fort, or use your imagination to create something amazing. There are so many ways to have fun without screens. It's all about finding a good balance between online and offline activities. You did it! Now you know how to use technology safely and efficiently. Remember to use tech for learning and having fun. Always ask a grown-up for help if you need it. And don't forget to balance your screen time with other awesome activities. Now go out there and be a tech superhero. Use your powers wisely and have an amazing time exploring the world of technology.